Hello guys and welcome back to this channel where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact the KLM support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course type klm.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about that. And in the middle is where you can go and book your flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the KLM support. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So you can go to the top left corner and click here and click on information. And here where information, you can also go and check out some of the, of course, information that you might, of course, need. Then the second option is to go and call them in their contact center. So the number for Netherlands, for the, of course, company, the country where they are from, is +31 020 649 9123. For from abroad, if you're calling, it's +31 21 545 9723. And that is how you can go and contact them. You can also contact them via their email address, Twitter, Facebook, and their socials. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.